This is the multicolored 10 pack, and it comes in the 5 colors of orange, blue, purple, green, and pink. And the reason why I bought these was because of the fact that I was looking for more of a shallow pan. Don't quote me. This is maybe about half the height of Bootstrap Farmer's normal size 10 by 20 trays. I really, really appreciate how sturdy and heavy duty these trays are. A big reason why I started looking at the Bootstrap Farmer brand for my gardening seed supply starting needs was because of the fact that they were focused on creating heavy duty seed starting supplies that helps me steer away from single-use plastics. And I really appreciate that because I feel like I'm investing my gardening future when I buy these products because of the fact that they are so heavy duty. These have lasted 2 years already, and they're amazing. They will last me for years and years. And I'm so impressed with the quality and sturdiness of these trays.